Tariffs. Most people just see them as taxes slapped onto things made overseas, but here's the twist. Tariffs are actually way more than that. If you use them right, they can transform an economy, protect jobs, and pump serious cash into a country. Let me show you 5 ways tariffs can actually make a country richer. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, protecting local industries. When cheap imports flood the market, local businesses can't keep up. Tariffs level the playing field by making foreign goods more expensive. Suddenly, your local companies have a fighting chance. They survive, grow, and even start to innovate. It's like giving home field advantage to your own team. And who doesn't want to see their team win? Second, jobs. This one's huge. As local industries get stronger, they need more workers. More factories open, more paychecks go out, and more families have steady incomes. Tariffs can literally turn into job-creating machines. It's not just economics, it's people, communities, livelihoods. Third, fixing trade deficits. If a country buys way more than it sells, money just drains out. Tariffs slow down those imports and encourage making things at home. Think of it as plugging a leak in your nation's wallet. Suddenly, more money stays local, and the trade gap shrinks. Fourth, government revenue. Every tariff collected is money in the government's pocket. And that money, it's used for building schools, hospitals, roads, all the stuff a country needs to function. So, it's not just about blocking imports, it's about building the nation's future. Finally, boosting economic independence. Relying too much on other countries for essentials, that's risky. Tariffs push businesses to make things locally and reduce that dependency. It's about food, energy, technology, all the basics. The more you make at home, the stronger and more independent your country becomes. So tariffs aren't just boring trade barriers. Used smartly, they're powerful tools to protect, empower, and enrich a nation. Hit that follow button and stick around if you want more insights that'll help you ace your economics class.